Hey guys, welcome back with me again on this channel. In this dress to impress tutorial, we are spilling the sauce on one of the cutest and funniest headwear hacks you need to try, the tomato hat trick. So this is the tomato hat that I created. I'm going to show you how you can recreate this one. So let's just start it. So first we're just going to put on this fur hat and change the color using this red patterns, this one. And then you're going to put on this hat and change the color into green. And lastly, put on this flower, change the color also to greens, toggle it into type 2 and adjust the position. So here I'm going to put it on top and slide into the middle like this. And now you are done. So this is the final look for the tomato hat. That's all from me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the tags for more fun DTI hacks. I'll see you all on the next one. Bye!